And we are back. Alright, let's see. Alright, what do we have around here? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Do I know you? I don't have time to gossip about the guild right now.
Okay. How about forging this letter?
Yes, it can be done. I can change it to give Lex the highest recommendation. I'll need a full day to properly forge this letter. Return then. And of course, I will expect payment in full at that time.
Ugh. What is it? Fine. Ah, screw it, I'm just gonna wait outside. No, alright. Let's... Alright. And we... Hey, where the hell are you? Hello? That wasn't really what I wanted, but alright. Let's see here. Oh, well, screw it. I'm gonna just take his shit. Nothing here. Ah, you don't need this stuff. You got plenty of food. Who the hell is this guy?
What is it? What can I do for you? A terrible crime. Everyone in the chapel murdered. Who could have done such a thing, and why?
This prophet
I
dude?
don't know where he came from. Just appeared outside the chapel a day or so after the attacks. Been there ever since.
Alright. And Anvil
Been here
itself.
30 years, and I expect I'll last another 10 or so. When I'm gone, God's willing, my apprentice Enelroth will tend the smithy.
Alright.
Bye.
I'm listening. Please, go ahead. Timothy LaRouche, late of the Black Dog, able seaman. I'll be staying ashore till my stash runs out, then it's off to sea once more.
in this
An
game?
all-female gang of thieves has been recently plaguing Anvil with a very unique method of robbing. They pick on only the men. If you want to help us do something about it, go talk to Gogan and Malona. Let's just say Gogan is intimately involved and leave it at that.
Really?
I've gone
Alright.
aground in ports all over the Abyssinians.
Alright, and romance?
Greenlawn and his brother run a nice establishment at the Flowing Bowl.
Alright,
Take care.
thanks. Alright. Okay.
Hello.
Dudes.
Don't interrupt me. You're bothering me.
Yeah. Can I get the forged letter?
Why are you bothering me? It isn't done yet. Now get out of here and let me finish.
What an asshole. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Well, I guess I can do some other shit. Alright, Alright, let's see here. If you're gonna be an asshole, might as well go deal with this gang.
Hello there. How would you like to get my husband Gogan out of hot water?
What's he
Believe
done?
me, he'll need all the help he can get to worm his way out of this one. To think he'd fall for the gang's scheme. Oh, I could kill him. I'm sorry. I'm rambling, and you look confused. Let me explain.
Go
The
on.
women in the gang use their wiles to lure men out to some remote location and rob them blind. It's been going on for some time now. The city guard hasn't done very much about it, because frankly, the men who are robbed are so embarrassed, they don't want to report it. Take, for example, that good-for-nothing husband of mine, Gogan. He cared more about their charms than my own.
Okay. The
When
gang?
Gogan was, with the women, they took something quite valuable from him. No, it's not what you're thinking. He was carrying a precious family heirloom with him when he was lured out to their lair. It was a small ring given to him on our wedding day. The ring belonged to my mother and has been in the family for generations. I'm willing to give you all the money I have to get it back. 100 gold. Can you help us?
Sure. What the
Thank you.
hell?
I'm afraid I can't offer you much help, but I'll do what I can. All I can tell you is that the best place to start is at the Flowing Bowl. It's a tavern located outside the city walls near the waterfront. Gogan may be able to give you more information beyond that.
Okay, and where is he?
The Flowing Bowl attracts the worst Anvil has to offer. Always be on your guard.
That's a nice place you have. Your husband's an idiot.
Eh? What do you want?
You're an idiot.
See, my wife couldn't keep a big mouth shut. Yes, it's true. I lost the family ring to those sirens. I'm ashamed about the whole incident, but not ashamed enough to ask for your help.
I was sitting in the flowing bowl when the most fetching Nord woman you've ever seen walked in with an equally attractive Imperial woman following. After we exchanged words, I followed them out to a farmhouse. Inside, they asked me to remove my clothes and items. Well, I did. And then suddenly they brandished weapons and robbed me. They sent me away with barely a stitch of clothing. Harlots. Just please, help me get that ring back. I want to save what's left of my marriage.
You're an idiot, but alright.
I'm merely a man. How could I resist? What a mess I've gotten myself into.
Dumbass.
You're a fit one. Been running a lot? I'm your
Yes.
relief. It's about time.
Let's see. What do I got?
Well met.
Good news from Kvatch for a change. The last of the Daedra.
You've
have
got
been
some
driven
nimble
out.
fingers.
You've got
What
the
have you
hands
been
of a
getting
smith.
into?
Aye.
Good
Must
to
have spent
see
some
you.
time repairing your gear.
I haven't seen you here before. Aw, and you're all alone, too. How sad. Well, if you're up to it, I think we can solve that little problem. You see, me and Faustina here are lonely, too. And we've been looking for someone. You look like just what we need. I'll tell you what. We have a cozy farmhouse not far from here where we could, well, get to know each other much, much better. I'll mark it down on your map just so you won't forget where to find us. Meet us there around 11 o'clock. I can promise you a night of fun you won't soon forget.
Not fun. Got it.
Do I really have to spell it out for you? You're a man, and I'm a woman with a certain desire. You figure out the rest.
Really? This is what I come in? Jeez.
Don't keep us waiting. I hate to
How
wait.
goes it?
Been better. How about you?
This thing, she's a little bit
Heard
more
any
cute.
word about the
That
other
one's more
provinces?
believable.
Well met.
I heard you know how to move in light armor.
I don't have any horse here. No. There he is. Alright, let's see here. The only downside is I'm probably gonna either have to kill him or wound him badly enough. Oh well. Not my problem. Alright. Oh, I guess they're in.
I see you took us up on our offer. Good. I'm glad to see you. Sydney will be along shortly. I'm sure we can find something to do while we wait. Now, we can't have you standing there all uncomfortable in all those clothes. Why don't you take everything off and place it there on the table?
I'm afraid not.
What? What are you talking about? Don't you want to have fun? Come on.
I'm here for that moron's story.
Damn, I knew it. You're working for the city guard, aren't you? I should have known after I fenced that stupid ring and discovered it was a fake. Worthless. All part of the guard's plan, I suppose. Okay, girls. We got someone who doesn't want to cooperate.
Alright.
What's the matter? Getting tired? Let's get this over
That's
with.
the best you can do.
This is the part where you fall down
Don't ever
and
take me
bleed
down.
to death.
What's the matter, Imperial?
What's the matter? Getting tired? What's the matter? Getting tired?
We had a feeling you'd be surprised when you saw us in our real uniforms. I see you have a puzzled look on your face. Ask away.
The gang?
Logan and I are really members of the Anvil City Watch. I suppose you could say we work undercover. We've been trying to foil Faustina's gang for months now. Every time we tried to interview a man who was lured there, they refused to talk. The women in the gang picked married men to seduce for just that reason. It was decided the only way to stop this gang was to send in a stranger. You fit the bill perfectly. It's a shame it had to end in so much violence. But someone was bound to get hurt sooner or later. We'll clean up the mess. Don't concern yourself about it. I'm sure you had no choice. If you ever find yourself back in Anvil, stop by any time and say hello. Oh, and please say nothing to anyone about our true identities. You've done well, and here's the reward that I promised.
Oh, okay, thanks, I guess.
Don't spend all the money from the reward.
Die! You do realize I've been holding back.
Die, damn you!
Shit.
Let's get this over with.
Got a lot to do here.
Oh.
We can talk later in Anvil. Got a lot to do here. We can talk.
Alright, well, we'll see what we got. Okay, so I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.